Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Cadillac Escalade, and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way we give the vehicle a sportier look. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the chrome panels. So to prep it, you could wash your vehicle, that we're able to remove any contaminants that the panel might have. Or you could use any chemicals that's safe to use on your vehicle. Or you could mix a bottle of water, any car soap products. That way you're able to at least remove the contaminants from the panel. And after you're done prepping the panel, make sure that the whole area is dry. That way we're able to install the film to the panel. And for this installation, I'm only going to do one side. That way you guys can see the difference between how it looked before and how it will look afterwards. Okay, so now we can start with the installation. For this one, we did a two-piece because of the curve here. It might be a little difficult to install. So with this one, just the same things that we do on this side, you would just rinse and repeat to the other end. So with this one, start by aligning it on one edge, and make sure when you're aligning it, you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome section on the top layer. So if you need to readjust, you can. Just lift the film carefully and readjust the film. And then you can use the top section as a guide in order to align the film to the panel. If you do come across small fingers, those small fingers, you could remove them by either lifting the film and readjusting it, or we could try to squeegee them out. But if you squeegee them, make sure you squeegee at an angle like this. That way you'll avoid creasing the film. So it's just going at an angle and tacking down the whole film. So right here, we're just gonna help it tack down because it is just a small curve. So just tack it down. And here, you might have a small finger. Just lift the film carefully to adjust it. Make sure you have it aligned, don't tack it down just yet, and just start squeegeeing. This is another method you could use in order to tack down the film. The rest of the film here, you could just tuck in underneath here. For this one, we did not cover the inside of the chrome panel because we're only covering what is exposed on the top section here. Okay. And then once we finish tagging it down, now we could apply heat. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And then once we finish applying heat, we will just trim off any excess material. So grab your heat gun and start applying heat all over the film. Okay, and with your blade, just find the area where you need to trim off the excess material. If you need a little reference point, you could just lift the film carefully and just lift it up until you are able to see where the chrome is located. So it should be roughly around there. Make an outline with your finger and then start little by little trimming off the excess material. Take your time when you're doing this part. You don't want to accidentally scratch the paint on the hood, so just take your time. Okay, so if you're doing installation for this piece here, so just grab your film, place it, and make sure you're covering the whole chrome section. So like this, like that, and like that. And all you need to do now is just help the film wrap around the edges. So you just do the same for each one. So let's say the top here, and then just another one. So place it, align it, and tack it down. And to help wrap around the film, around the edges, you could apply heat all around just to help it tack down. But other than that, you just take your time on installing the rest of the film. It's just tacking down, sticking, and applying heat. The only thing with this one, just make sure you tack down the edges correctly. If not, it's going to be lifting over time. So just apply heat on the edges just to ensure that the film does not lift. And that's pretty much it with this center one, and now you can move on with this piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section of the grille. So with this one, align it from one end. It's not going to cover the inside because the inside is a little too deep to cover, but you could try to cover it, but it's not recommended. We're only covering just this section of the chrome. So align it right on the edge and just tack down the film. Use this body line of the grille as a guide to align it. So place it and align it. And just work your way to this top section here. So now that you have it like this, grab your squeegee and start tacking down this whole area. So just be careful, help it tack down and fold it inside. So it's just gonna cover just the portion of the top. You could try to cover as much as you can. Just take your time when you're tacking down the film inside. And with this part, just tack it down carefully. And then you just do the same here. But right here, we're just gonna apply a little bit of heat to help tack down the film. So apply heat. Let it cool off. Lift the film carefully and little by little start tacking it down inside. You can use your finger to tack it down. And then once you have enough material already tacked down, grab your squeegee and just tuck in the rest. And we just make sure this area is tacked down. If you need to fix it, just lift the film, but overall it should be good to go. And of course, you would just trim off any excess material that you might see. And now we move on with the next install, which would be this piece on the inside here. Okay, so for this one, same process. Align it on the edge, so right on the body line of the grill here. And just little by little start tucking in the film inside. So just fold it and start tucking it inside. And then just lift it to adjust it just a little bit, and it should all tack down here. We'll just trim off the excess material. Everything should sit perfectly, and this we'll just trim off since it's already covering here. So just grab your blade and trim off the excess material. Use the edge of the chrome as a guide and trim it off. So it could look flush like that. And now just apply heat to help everything tack down. And now we could just trim off the excess material. So grab your blade, find the edge, and trim off the excess material. And that should be good. And now we move on to installing the last section, which is this one here. Okay, so for this one, just align it on this edge first. That way we could just place the film and work our way to each section. So place the film on this edge as well, so we could focus on the installation for here. So make sure everything is aligned and just follow the design of the panel. This will fix it afterwards. Since we just placed it, it should be like this, and work your way to this edge. This section of the film is going to go tucked in inside here. We could leave it as is for now and just focus on installing the rest of the film. And you can use the bottom half of the trim of the grill as a guide to align it, and it should reach like that. So now we're gonna work on this section. Slowly, little by little, we're gonna help tack down the film. So grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film inside. So make sure you fold it. That way the adhesive doesn't get stuck, and start tacking it inside. Whatever extra material remains, that we'll just trim off. So put tack down here. And then right here, same process, tuck it inside, and then the excess material we'll just trim off. So right here, this is excess material. Lift the film carefully, trim off the excess material. So all we need to do is just cover just this part, since we already covered it with the other film. So up there, the rest we could just trim off. So be careful when you're trimming. And trim off the excess of this section. It's not always going to be the same. So if you do have excess material somewhere around this area, just try to see where your excess material is at, and that's what you would trim. So it's not always going to be the same how I did it here, but just make sure you look around and see where your excess material is at. And right here, keep in mind, you might have exposed chrome because the film inside here does have a deep curve. It might not cover the whole thing, so just keep that in mind. And then just trim off the excess material here. Be careful with your blade. And now we could apply heat. That way we're able to tack down any material that's still lifting. And after you're done applying heat, we can move on to the last section, which is the lower section trim. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section. So with this one, just align it on this edge to cover the chrome panel. Just give yourself enough room. And then once you align it, tuck it underneath the film here. And then the excess material we could remove after. But right now it's more just focusing on applying this section of the film. So place it there, and with your squeegee, start tacking down this section. With this one, you can also tuck in since there is a small gap in between the grill here. If you can't tuck in, then you could just trim off the excess material. Okay, and now we can move on with installing this section. Okay, so same steps. Just place this film on the edge here. Place it right on the edge there. And just make sure you're covering the chrome. And carefully make your way to this edge. So make sure it's aligned. Tack it down. Align it on this section. And it should cover everything here like this. Okay, and now all we need to do now is just finish off with the rest of the film. So lift it carefully and squeegee it down at an angle to carefully tack it down. Make sure to remove any air bubbles. Lift it carefully and squeegee the film. If you need to readjust the film, you can. Just lift it carefully and readjust it to where you need to. And just take your time when you're tacking down this whole section. And now our next step is to trim off the excess material. And after we trim off the excess material, apply heat to post heat all around each section that we install. So find the gap and trim off from there. This is why it's important that everything is dry, because if it touches water, the film's not going to stick. And now we could apply heat. Okay, so once you're done with the whole installation, the last thing to do is just post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on each section of the film tack down better to the panel, and we prevent the film from lifting over time as well. So grab your heat gun and start post heating the whole entire kit. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete installation for the 2022 Cadillac Escalade. We hope that this video helped you guys out. Don't forget, whatever is done on one section of the panel, you just rinse and repeat to the other side. And after that, once you're done installing the whole thing, post heat and you should be good. But other than that, we hope that this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.